Well, still here at the property investor show here at the Excel Center. Going to mix business and pleasure together. Okay. No grinds. Okay. Quite busy afternoon. Okay, I've been here before. I like this I like this cartoon. I've been here.
It's mine. It's your kid.
I've shared the link
No, but
of the interview.
no, but still struggling with you email because when you do what you write, it's still struggling.
C?
You know what is this? The C?
T for tango.
Okay. I say T for tango. Yeah.
Yeah. U for uniform.
U for uniform.
5.
5. Number
Yeah.
5. Yeah.
O for Oscar.
O for Oscar.
Y.
Y.
E for
E
echo.
for echo. D for delta.
That's right.
At gmail.com.
That's right. That's
Okay, your name is Tu.
yeah. Com.
Tom.
No,
Tom.
M.
Tom,
C-O-M.
you are-
No. Dot com. Gmail.com.
But you are Tom. What is your name?
No. T-U-N-D-E.
T N
U.
D U N D E.
That's it.
Finally, wow,
Yeah.
hallelujah.
Thank you. Wow. Excuse me. Oh, okay. Sorry. Okay, here at TV Edwards. Let me see if I can get a lady lawyers first rate legal advice to speak. Get an interview with the ladies with TV Edwards. Okay, while waiting for them to get ready, let's do some filming. Enjoying my drink. Probably come back for better services. Public comments by property people. Oops, sorry. Sorry. Very, very busy place. Everybody's there. Student properties. Okay. Oh, this looks good. Hello, ma'am. Do you mind, good afternoon, do you mind please a short, interview about what your organization does?
Yes, so what we are is we're Western.
Yeah, do you mind just doing,
What are you doing it for then?
It's just for my YouTube channel,
Just for what?
Just for my YouTube channel, but just about the show, covering the show.
What YouTube channel is it?
Yeah, it is mine. It's a personal one, not BBC or anything. Just a private one.
Oh no, I don't think I want to do it.
Okay, you don't want to show your face.
No.
Okay, all right, thank you. Get property. Right. Okay, you always find people who are camera shy. Lovely. It's okay. No problem. Feel free. Yeah, are you an attendee or do you mind a short, just your impression of the show?
Where are you coming from?
This is just for my YouTube channel.
YouTube channel?
Yeah, just to...
Who does it go to?
It's just on YouTube people can just see it on YouTube.
Which kind of people does it have a look at it?
I mean, anybody on YouTube can see. People, apart from people who subscribe to the channel, anybody else
Property
can just
developers.
see.
So she will
Absolutely.
show you, look at, she's a HMO
So,
development builder.
right,
So look at her,
so-
so she can say,
Yeah, so, all right.
if you wanna
So
build,
just-
if you wanna get your
Yeah.
new HMO done,
Okay, right.
there they are.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
We specialize in HMO development.
Okay.
We're based in London.
Just to leave the road so that people don't... If you come to this side, so that people don't bump on us, yeah. Oh, okay. On this side, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so just the name of the company and then, just to, so that people can
Okay.
take advantage
So,
of your expertise.
This is
Thank you.
Matthew.
Yeah, go on, yeah.
Okay. My company name is Beatles the Builders. We
Okay.
specialize in HMO developments. And we're
Okay.
based in London. So
Okay.
if anybody who would like to have a HMO property to be done, and then we are the one to help you. We
Okay.
also do other, extension, domestic property, the
Okay.
extension, refurbishments, and so if you are in London
Okay.
with your project within M25, and
Okay.
we can help you. Thank
Okay.
you.
Finally, what is HMO for people who don't know,
It's home multiple occupants.
Okay, all
Yeah,
right. Okay.
basically, and you can convert your house
Okay.
and to 5 or 6
Okay.
separate flats,
Okay.
and so you can let it out to maximize the rental yield.
Okay.
So
Okay.
it's a very good,
Okay.
way to
Okay.
bring
And
up.
just the name of the company again, in case people want to get
Beatles
you.
the Builders.
Okay.
Beatles the Builders. And,
Okay. Right.
you can take the
Okay.
number here.
Yeah. Okay. I've seen it. Yeah.
I can give you
Yeah.
a leaflet.
Okay. Thank you
Yeah.
so much.
Okay, you can put it there.
Yeah. Thank you.
So I know.
It is safe.
Okay. So
Thanks
what's
a
your
lot.
name? Matthew.
Okay. Actually, is my name.
Oh, okay. And you are based.
I'll give you. Okay.
Okay, wait. I'm going to take a photo of you.
No problem.
Okay.
All
So,
right. I've seen your number there. I'll share the link with you
okay.
when I put it up.
Okay. So yeah, if they are interested, you can
Okay.
call this number
Okay. Sure.
and get advice.
All right. Okay. Thanks so much for your time.
Okay, thank
yeah.
you.
All right.
Yeah.
Bye. That was good. Somebody just talking about their business and what they do. Sometimes people, understandably, they're camera shy, very cautious, and all that. Right, still here at the property investors show at the Excel Center. Okay, the seminar is coming up soon. Okay.
But by all means, come for grab a seat. We're starting in just 3 minutes.
Right. Okay.
Because you know what's going on in Manchester? I can't find them. Let's go and see them up.
Right. Lovely, 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 lovely. Okay, it is a seminar. I do not want to miss my I'm sorry. Let me just take a picture. Yeah. Yeah. Just a quick one. 2-3 minutes before they start. So just for the sake of the recording, just name to start with, and then go ahead and tell us, why here at the show, and then what you have taken away or take away. Yeah.
Okay, my name is Sophie Odo. I'm actually very excited to be here in this exhibition. I've always wanted to invest in the UK. Actually, before I came to the UK, I've been investing in Nigeria. So coming to the UK, I wanted to do that, but I needed the kind of guidance and then how to start. And I want it as the kind of business that I can be earning from as well. So coming here, I got this information from somebody, from a friend, and I'm here today. I've gone to 1 or 2 seminars, but if you look around, you find out that actually this is a combination of all of them coming together at the same place, in the same place. So it's actually very good. So I've seen quite a lot. I got a lot of information. I got a lot of advice. I've met mortgage advisors, financial advisors. I've met property
Developers.
trainers, investors. So it's a kind of place to network as well, and you meet a lot of people. There is so much. It could be overload of information, but it's good because in the sense that you can choose at this time. It's not really like one person is talking to you. You've got loads of them talking to you, so you decide. So moving around, I've just made notes of some particular businesses, individuals that I will be communicating with. So when they contact me, I've met quite a lot. It could be that it's not really the one I want. So the particular area I want, I've already taken a lot of information, and then taking my information with a friend I came with. And I believe, hopefully by the grace of God, I believe that this is leading me to something greater, something very good. And I think I would love something like this, coming up. And I like the fact that I'm being interviewed as well. And I just to show that I really appreciate this. And also for Tunde, I met Tunde somewhere, and I'm quite excited to meet him today again. So, like I told you, it's networking, and you can meet anybody. So, thank you so much, Tunde, for giving me this opportunity. I'm enjoying it here. I'm happy, and then I believe that this will take me to a better place. Thank you.
Thank you.